Hello, beautiful people. I am here today to talk to you about how to use essential oils for sleep. I'm really excited about this subject because I have struggled with sleeping well my whole life, and I've finally found some things that have been helping me a lot, and I can't wait to share them with you. So, let's move on to talking about how to think about our health, because it's important when you're talking about one aspect of health that you're actually thinking about all of your health well. This is what we call a wellness pyramid. And this is something, if I told you just buy this essential oil and then you're going to sleep fine, I'm probably lying to you. Or I'm just not as informed as I ought to be, because sleep is part of our whole health picture. And other things can disrupt sleep or help to facilitate sleep. When you look at this pyramid, what is the foundation of it? Nutrition and digestion. If we're not eating right, if we're eating a lot of stuff right before bed, if we're eating stuff that's hard to digest or things that we actually have a negative response to, we are not going to sleep well. It plays into that. What about movement and metabolism? If we don't move our bodies all day long, well, moving our bodies actually helps to facilitate sleep. Resting and managing stress. Well, stress plays into sleep. So helping ourselves to look at all of us, all of our lives, all of what's going on, and to be able to take an assessment and see, well, gosh, I'm good with this and this, but I'm not so great over here. That's going to actually be the healthiest thing that we can do in order to help us to be able to get to the results that we want. And if sleep is one of those results that you want, well, I'm here to help. So there are lots of things that can help with all of those areas. And so if there's a particular area that is of interest to you, please reach out. I have my contact information in the description below, and send me an email or a text, and I would love to be able to help talk you through any of the issues that you have. I actually have a 15-minute wellness consultation that I offer to people for free. And so if you'd like to talk and chat for just a little bit, I'd be happy to do that with you. So, why do we need sleep? Do you realize not getting enough sleep or enough good sleep over a long enough period of time can actually prove to be fatal? It sounds dramatic, doesn't it? But without sleep, a host of bodily functions begin crashing. Getting inadequate sleep over time raises your risk of chronic health problems. It affects how well you think, how well you react, how well you work, how well you learn, how well you get along with others. And it affects so many things in your body as well: your reproductive system, your hormones, heart and circulatory system, your respiratory system, your metabolism, your emotional responses, even your immune system. Gosh, that's a lot, isn't it? So don't be overwhelmed with that, but instead look at it the other way, from the other direction. The good news: if you help to correct your sleep, you're potentially helping with all of those things, or specifically the ones that you might be having a hard time with. So let's get to it. Let's talk about natural sleep solutions. Using essential oils is one of the best things that I have ever implemented into my life for so many reasons, but sleep is definitely one of those reasons. This is the blend called Serenity. It's called the Restful blend. You can see all the ingredients there for you, how to use it, where it comes from, different things. It can be used aromatically and topically, and it's something that you can be used neat. That's what that A, T, and N in the middle of your screen means: aromatic, topical. And neat means you can put this directly on your skin. It's not going to burn, not going to have a reaction, no sensitivities whatsoever. Aromatic and topical. How would you use it aromatically? Well, in a diffuser is how I use it every single night. Or you can take a drop, put it on your hand, rub your hands together. Guess what? You're now a diffuser. Inhale it deeply. It's called the Restful blend for a reason. Helps to calm your mind, helps to calm your body. It's a wonderful blend with lots of wonderful ingredients in it. And so many of the things, in case you are like me and you're a skeptic, first off, I want to say welcome, because I love skeptics. Usually skeptics are people who are really thinking deeply and don't want to be taken in, right? But they also have a lot of questions, and they're kind of going, what? I am that person. And so I welcome your questions. I welcome your skepticism. Absolutely. I would love to point you to some resources if you happen to be that person. I might even list them in the description below. I think I will, where you can go and look for all of the science that has been done on any or all of these ingredients. Lots of science everywhere. If you are an American or a Canadian and you're watching this video, you probably don't recognize how much essential oils are used throughout the world. All over Europe, all over Asia, people use essential oils all the time. Lots of places around the world also do research studies on them. And so much has been done on lavender and on all of these other oils. It works. There's science behind it. It's really awesome. I use Serenity in my diffuser. My typical evening before I go to bed, I put Serenity in my diffuser, and then I will go in and do my evening routine, brushing my teeth, flossing, all the things, washing my face, getting my pajamas on, doing a little bit of stretches. I like to stretch and kind of get loosened up before I go to sleep so that I can actually sleep well and not be in any kind of extra discomfort or anything. And then I crawl into bed. And by then, my diffuser's been going for 20 or 30 minutes, and my whole room smells amazing. If you don't have a diffuser, you can always take and put a drop or two directly on your pillow, and you'll be smelling it all night long, and it'll help in that way. But I love this oil for that reason. It helps me sleep every single night. The other thing that doTERRA has is something called the Serenity Soft Gels. They're the Restful Complex Soft Gels, and it has all of those ingredients in them. Many of those ingredients that are right in the center of your screen, they are also found in the blend. But these soft gels have actually recently been reformulated. The new formulation actually has something new in it called tart cherry. Let's talk about L-theanine and tart cherry. L-theanine is actually an amino acid that helps your body to be calm. It's found in green tea, and it is one of the reasons why, even though green tea has as much caffeine as black tea does, it doesn't affect us the same way because green tea also has L-theanine in it. L-theanine is known to be a calming agent, calms the mind, helps you to just not be so overthinking or whatever else is going on at your evening time, right? It's calming and all of that. So L-theanine included in this, along with those essential oils, is a really big blessing for all of us. The tart cherry is something new, and tart cherry actually is a natural way to help our bodies to make their own melatonin. If you don't know what melatonin is, it's basically the sleep hormone. It is what signals our bodies to go to sleep. Many of us don't have a lot of melatonin because of other factors in our lives. We're either looking at screens for too late or for too long. We're not looking at sunlight and sunshine and letting bright natural sunshine be part of our lives first thing in the morning. Our circadian rhythms are off. That's our natural sleep cycles and wake cycles. And so tart cherry can help us to make more melatonin. And it also has some melatonin in it naturally. So they're natural, non-synthetic, healthy alternatives for you to be able to sleep well. And then there's the Serenity Stick. And that is this little beauty right here. I'll just show you what it is. It's a stick. Yes, this is my own. You can twist it up, just kind of like a twist up deodorant stick or something. You'll just take it and you'll put it, I put it on my pulse points. I put it down my spine as far down as I can put it. Sometimes I put them on the bottom of my feet because that's a great way to put it too. And sometimes I put it over my heart. I love this. It's not greasy. Smells delightful. It's got all of the ingredients that the blend has, except that it's also got valerian. And valerian essential oil has been known worldwide to help calm, to help bring you into a restful, ready to go to sleep, ready to turn it off. So all of these together are a wonderful system that you can purchase. You can buy them individually. You can get them as a system the way I did. That way you can diffuse them, whether you have a diffuser or not. You can be your own diffuser. You can apply it directly to your body, and you can take them internally. I take 2 of the Restful Serenity complexes, probably about a half an hour before I go to bed. I'll usually have them with just a little bit of water because I don't want to drink a lot of water right before bed, right? So I'll take 2 of those, I'll go into my room, set up my diffuser, I'll go do my nighttime routine, then I'll come back to bed, and right before I crawl in, I put the Serenity Stick on me. The stuff is amazing. I absolutely love it, and I'm so, so grateful to have them in my life. I want to let you know about one more thing, and then I'm going to stop. I have one of these. This is a handout that you can download on your own, all about this class. It's got some practical solutions and a routine in there, and it's also got more information about these things, wonderful ways to get that information. I've also got a link down below that I would be happy for you to click on if you're interested in trying any of these out. I would encourage you to become a member, a wholesale customer, rather than becoming a retail customer. For one thing, it's 25% off, and for another thing, there's no benefit to buying retail. I make more money, but I would rather you had that money in your pocket. Plus, there's benefits to becoming a member because you now have opportunities to be able to purchase things at 25% off for a whole year. There's no obligation, nothing required of you, nothing you have to do. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to buy anything ever again if you don't want to. Just all the perks and none of the pressure. So I would love to be that person who helps you. Forgot I had this slide in there. Diffusing with pets. I'm going to leave this up for just a few seconds. I have a precious friend who's known as the essential oil vet. That's Dr. Janet Rourke. She's amazing, and she says that these oils are safe, and I believe her. Not only that, there's science behind why they're safe for pets. However, if you sleep with a pet in your room and you're worried about essential oils, leave the door open. Your pet can get up and leave whenever they want to. They are so naturally aware of what's going on around them and in them that if we just give them a way out and all that, then yeah, they do great. So anyway, dōTERRA is the best. I say that from personal experience and also from all of the research I've done. I have tried many, many, many different brands over the years. The only brand I've had consistent positive results with every single time has been dōTERRA. They are pure, start to finish. And then the very last thing I want to say is you can get 25% off retail prices, free shipping with 100 PV, and a free gift with 150 PV. And the free gift right now is your own free diffuser. That's our thank you for saying for purchasing with us. So you can count on all these oils and blends and this 3-step system combined with smart sleep hygiene habits to get you the rest you deserve. There are other things that may be factors, whether that's nutrition or grief, your emotions, anything else like that. I have lots of videos out there. Feel free to watch them and be able to learn from them, and reach out if you need anything. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May he make his face to shine upon you. May he grant you his peace.